Welcome, in this video we will learn how to run your first Python program. Open the terminal. First we will deal with interactive mode programming. Type the command Python. It will show you the Python version and it opens the interactive mode. You can see it is displaying the current Python version as 2.713. Now let me print one message here. I am printing hello world here. So when I run the command, it will show you the hello word has been printed. Now let's stop running mode. Here we will write our own program. Now in script mode programming, change directory mode to desktop. Now using gedit command, write your first Python file. Open first.py. My first line shows the command line interpreter as Python. We assume that you have Python interpreter available in user bin directory. Now try to run this program as follows. Let's write one message as hello world using print. Save it. You can see that it has been saved successfully. Now run the command as python first.py. You can see that it's printed the hello world successfully on the terminal. Let's move further and run it in execute mode. Type the command on the terminal as chmod +x first.py. This is to make file executable. Using ./first.py, run your command. It is printing my message successfully. In this way, you can run your script for interactive and script mode or executed mode programming. That's it in this video on first Python program. Thank you for watching this video.